Everyone always wants fragrant smelling blooms around their homes. And so they think about shrubs like gardenia or plants like jasmine that are just going to fill up their courtyard or around their door or around their porch with fragrant smelling beautiful blooms. But this is a plant that makes absolutely fragrant blooms that not a lot of people talk about it, so let's talk about it. This is Elaeagnus Ebbingei, or most people just call it Elaeagnus, and it has a beautiful silvery foliage. It grows best in zones 7 through 9, and it is a large and robust evergreen shrub. It can grow to be about 8 feet tall and wide, and it loves full sun, and it's very drought tolerant as well. But what a lot of people don't know about it is that it makes these fragrant blooms, and it actually blooms when a lot of other plants are not blooming, and that is in the late fall. In fact, it's somewhat backwards from most flowering plants because not only does it bloom in the fall, but it produces its berries in the spring. It's usually the opposite way around. And the berries are a really cool dark purple color that can be quite decorative on the plants, and wildlife loves to eat them. Now, the blooms aren't much to look at. In fact, you may not notice the blooms when you look at the plant, but you will notice them when you walk by because they have a smell that reminds me a lot of the smell from paper white narcissus. Other people have akin the smell to something like a gardenia, but to me, it's not quite as sweet smelling as the gardenia. And although this plant can get tall and wide, it can also be trained into different shapes. Therefore, you could use it up near a door or near a porch or somewhere in your flower bed if you don't mind pruning it. All in all, it is a great addition to your landscape.